Namaste friends, welcome to Purnima Vijay's kitchen. Today I have tried and come up with one more very new recipe, that is with jackfruit seed, which is very enriched with the protein, fiber and very anti-aging properties also. The name of the dish is jackfruit seed papad. Now let us see the ingredients what all we require for the preparation of jackfruit seed papad. It's very simple, easy recipe. The main ingredient here is jackfruit seed. I have taken 20 jackfruit seeds. Then I have taken half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. This will help in ease of digestion of jackfruit seed because jackfruit seed has lot of proteins. So some people may feel little difficult in digesting. So this will aid in a digestion. One more thing is half a teaspoon of black pepper seed powder. This also will help in digestion and also will prevent the cold or cough formation also. One more thing is 1 teaspoon of oil. You can take any oil. I have taken coconut oil. Then 2 cups of water for cooking the jackfruit seed. Initially you have to cook this jackfruit seed very well. This is the well cooked jackfruit seed. I have taken this white skin out after cooking. If you need good appearance, you can take out this brown color skin, but it has a lot of vitamins and fibers. So I am not going to remove this brown color skin. Let it be. The appearance is not a very big matter. Health benefit is more important than the appearance. So I am not removing the skin. I am just removing this white color part. Now put the cooked jackfruit seed into the blender. Now add cumin seeds, salt and black pepper powder. Now just add 1 or 2 spoons of water because without adding any amount of water this will be difficult to make the paste. Now the jackfruit seed mixture paste is ready to make the papad. The water required quantity in your blender you can add to make the paste, but we need this consistency. Now lubricate your hand with the coconut oil. After lubricating, take the paste like this. Make the ball. This much size you can make. Now these balls are ready. In lemon sized I have made it. Now to make papads, we require 2 plastic covers like this and 2 wooden blocks. Or you can make in a roti maker also. Now lubricate these plastic sheets with 1-2 drops of oil. Now keep the ball in the center of the plastic sheet. Cover with the 1 more plastic sheet. Just make like this. Keep 1 wooden blocks under the plastic sheets and 1 over the plastic sheets. Now press it. Remove the plastic sheet. Now the papad is ready. With 1 white cloth. Now take the papad like this. Invert it. Take 1 clean cloth or banana leaf or plastic cover or anything. Put the papad like this. Give a very gentle press. Now take out the plastic cover. Now we made the jackfruit seed papad. In the 20 seeds, you can make 10 jackfruit seed papad. Now you keep under sun for drying it. This is the sun-dried jackfruit seed papad. I have dried it for 1 day. Now we can fry this jackfruit seed papad in a hot oil. In the hot oil, frying the jackfruit seed papad. This I am doing it without oil. Friends, the new recipe jackfruit seed papad is ready to eat. These 4 fried with oil and these 2 without oil. And the papad is so tasty. Please prepare and enjoy the jackfruit seed papad, friends. Thank you.